Hey guys, so it's been raining all night and all day today and it's really wet, so let's go and have a look around. Nice weather for dogs. I really wanted to cut the grass yesterday, but what I know has happened is a lot of the stones off the drive have been washed down, so this is going to do some work when it dries up again. Here we go. See, there's a little river running down through there. And here, we do have some drainage set up for this, but it's overwhelmed. It's washing my bark away and washing my driveway stone away. That's all good, we can sort that out when it's dried up a bit. The ponds are full. Here we go, Paradise Garden. Really overwhelmed here. Here's our little bridge. Luna's trying to walk over where it should be. See, there's some of the planks for the bridge there. They've been dislodged and moved up. Luna's looking for them now. They're not there, mate. Not barbecue weather. But the good news is Megan's bridge survived. There's a Canuka, some natives. We've got a bit of unwanted gorse growing here, but also this is a Manuka. The problem we've got here is that it's hard to see where the Manuka is from the grass. This is Carnuka, Akiak. Now this was grazed last year, but we've transplanted some trees here, and we want it to naturalise and look more like a bit of a native bushland. So it's a work in progress, but this should look immaculately wild in a few years' time. A bit more like this. Look at that. They built the house at the right place on this building site. There's no chance of flooding up there.